Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Roblox card. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Roblox redemption page, which is roblox.com/redeem. Once there, you'll need to log into your Roblox account. If you don't have one, you can easily create a new account. Then, find the unique 16-character code on your gift card, usually on the back of a physical card or in your email for digital versions. Next, it's time to enter your card's code. Carefully type the full 16-character code into the designated box on the redemption page. It's a good idea to double-check for any potential mix-ups, like a 0 looking like the letter O. After confirming the code is correct, simply click the Redeem button to submit your card for processing. Once redeemed, a success message will appear on your screen, confirming that your card has been processed. Your Robux balance will then automatically update on your Roblox account. You can now use your newly added Robux to purchase exciting items for your avatar, unlock special perks in games, or even apply it towards a Roblox Premium membership. Enjoy your new Robux. If you encounter any issues during the redemption process, remember that Roblox gift cards can only be redeemed through a web browser, not the mobile app. If problems persist, contact Roblox support for assistance. Be prepared to provide important details like your card's PIN, its serial number, and a copy of your purchase receipt to help them resolve your issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.